Happy Friday, class. And today's lesson is just like the one we did on Tuesday at the beginning of the week, except it's with subtraction, where we look at the number that's on both sides and we see that whatever they look like, they're still the same on both sides, so they are equal. So today, it's going to be how many are left that are equal. It might not be the same at the beginning, but all that matters is when we're doing subtraction that we have the same on both sides. So if I start with 4 on this side and I take away 3, how many do I have? 1. And on this side, if I start with 2 and I take away 1, how many do I have? 1. So they are the same on both sides at the end of the equation, the end of the problem. After you're done taking away and subtracting, they're still going to be the same on both sides. That's what we're talking about today. Okay, so again, it doesn't matter how many we start with. When we're subtracting, when we find out if they're equal, it's how many we're going to end with. Okay, so let's talk about this side subtraction sentence first. Remember, when we're subtracting, we always start with how many we have all together. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. Before any of them were taken away, we had 4. And then today it tells you every time how many are taken away. So I see that there's 1, 2, 3 taken away. So I'm left with just 1. I have 1 left on this side. Let's look over here. Before we do anything else, let's just look at how many are left at the end. Just that one. Only 1 left at the end. So we know that in the end, this 1 is still going to be the same as this one. These numbers are just a different way to get to 1. So let's see how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the beginning before any of them were taken away. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4 of them they told us were taken away. 5 minus 4 gave us 1. 4 minus 3 also gave us 1. So 1 is equal to 1. That's why we have an equal sign in the middle. Let's do it again. Okay, so for the first number, you always do how many all together before any of them are taken away. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 at the beginning. And we're going to take away 1, 2, they told us on this side. So I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's 4 on that side. Let's check it out over here. For our first number, we always do how many we started with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then they told us to take away 1, 2, 3, 4. And that left us with 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 on this side and I have 4 on this side. So they are equal. It's the same. 6 minus 2 is the same. It's equal to 8 minus 4 because they both gave us 4. Next ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus or take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it left us with 1, 2, 3. Okay, over here, they told us that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at the start. And then they told us to take away 1, 2. So in the end, we ended with 1, 2, 3. 3 on this side, 3 on this side. So 8 minus 5 is the same. It's equal to 5 minus 3, because that gave us 3 on this side, gave us 3 on this side. Perfect. You guys do the same thing on the back. Count how many you have at the beginning. Say how many were taken away. Do it on both sides and just make sure that you have the same number left over on both sides to write your equal sign. Good job today, class. You're done with math for this week. We've only got 2 more weeks left. You guys can do it. I'm so proud of you. Way to go, class. Air high five. I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye-bye.